Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Action button on your Spotlight 2 presentation remote with Options Plus. Along with the back and next buttons that allow you to navigate your slides, the Spotlight 2 comes with a new Action button. The Action button is a multifunctional, customizable button that gives you versatile control during your presentations. You can assign your most used shortcuts like start or pause your presentation to the new Action button and personalize it to your preferences. Here's 3 quick steps to customize the Action button. Step 1, download or update to the latest version of the Logi Options Plus app from app.logi.com. Step 2, connect the Spotlight 2 using the Logi Bolt USB-C receiver or Bluetooth. Step 3, select Spotlight 2 in Options Plus and click on the Action button. The Action button supports 3 types of interactions: the single click, double click, and press and hold. A single click on the Action button can start or exit presentation mode. If you use Smart Actions already, you can assign them to the Action button. Pressing and holding the Action button activates a laser that helps your in-person audience follow the presentation with ease. Double-clicking the Action button opens the guided breathing experience, helping you to focus and gain confidence before the presentation. Check out the video on the guided breathing experience with Spotlight 2 to know more about this feature. So, get ready to present, engage, and inspire with Spotlight 2. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Logitech tips. Thanks for watching.